can put this piece back in here now. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and see if we can push the shifter knob down all the way down until you hear it click. Yeah, I heard it click now. Okay. Yeah, so that look good so far, guys. Yeah. So we have it in park. We're gonna go ahead now and reinstall the battery terminal and come back and see what it's doing. Okay, guys? Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and reinstall the battery. Come back. Switch the car on. So this is what it looked like right now, guys. It's in park. It's showing that it's